Mrs. Rodrigues.
Thank you
A
very
big
much,
hand
Wilma.
for
Oh, thank you very much, Wilma. I think they went a bit overboard. Okay, honored chief guests, Sri Eduardo Falero, Madam Teresa Figueiredo, Sri Thomasina Cardozo, co-sponsor the Kala Academy of Goa, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and above all, the devoted music lovers and music buffs of Goa and Konkani. It gives me great pleasure to be amongst you today, not only to share in this unique experience, but to have the opportunity to tell you more about this wonderful book and the power of song. We are gathered here to celebrate today the power of song and the power of Konkani song. I'd like to share a powerful experience with you. Almost 40 years before 9/11, on a bright winter morning in the southern United States, a young president was driving into Dallas. A few minutes later, 3 powerful shots killed John F. Kennedy on the 22nd November 1963. America at that stage went into shock. The world was stunned. There was grief and sorrow everywhere. From across the Atlantic, just a few days later, came this song. A song that changed the world. A song that provided the healing that was needed at that very moment in time. It changed the path of history. It changed the path of music history. The song, of course, was I Want to Hold Your Hand by a new group at the time called the Beatles. Of course, the Beatles went on to change music history, but it was this song that provided healing at the time. And it demonstrates uniquely the unique power of song. What is song in its essentiality? Words and music. Words have a unique power. They have the power to change us, to change our lives. And so does music. When you put them together, you get the power of song. Now, in our own unique milieu, Konkani song, we have all this song like a kind of treasure chest on the beach. And it's not been exposed. We have the Mandas, the Dulpos, and the Deknis. But the music of the last 50 years, the music of Frank Fernand, Manuel Alfonso, and people like that, has never been exposed to the public before. And I'm going to try and do that today. We're launching this book, and I'll speak to you briefly about the contents of this book and the contents of this project. I won't take up too much of your time. I'll tell you a little about the book here and there, but we've got musicians here. They're going to provide you some entertainment. It's basically arrangements from the book, so you can see the quality of the stuff we've done, the quality of the arrangements, and, well, if you get a chance and you've already got a copy of the book, you can always sing along with them. I believe that the music that's been comprehensively documented has the immense power to change our lives. And the course of Nirman, which is, of course, as most of you know, what is Nirman? Destiny, right? Okay, so because within the words, within the melody, lies the story of our culture, our history, and our legacy.
And before we get into the story of the book, our lovely pianist, Luella, Roy on the saxophone, and Cyril are going to share 2 songs with you, Sacrament and Claudia. I hope you enjoy this.